guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can block a CapCut user. So let's say that you don't want to see like template for a certain CapCut user. You can actually block them in your CapCut. So here's how to do that. Okay, for example, this is just an example, okay, so I don't mean any harm. So for example, I want to okay, this user, this CapCut user here. Okay, you just need to open the CapCut and then you can open the profile here, and then what you need to do is click on the three lines icon at the top, and then you'll see there's a block option. So just click on that, and if you block this user, they won't be able to see the content you post on CapCut or interact with you. So if you are sure, just click on OK. Then after that, you successfully block that user. Okay, so that's a tutorial for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the following tutorial. Bye.